Hi, my name is Curtis Carmlet, Revolutions in Fitness, and I'm here to let you know we've got a workshop coming up on the 24th for low back pain. It's 80% of the population has had or will have low back pain. Many times that's sciatica down in the leg. Sometimes it's just a simple joint dysfunction of the low back or the SI joint. Whatever it is, as I've been working for 25 years as a PT and my co-lecturers add another 15 years into that, we've probably seen it and we've probably done it. We work with elite athletes and your average person that just wants to get back to hiking or lifting up their grandkids. So stop in and learn some exercises and learn some things that can be done to help you get back to normal life. Because many times that herniated disc or that joint just needs a couple of movements and a couple of exercises to get back in the swing of life. Because we believe in empowering human potential and making a big difference for you to be able to accomplish your goals. You don't have to keep suffering with this. Stop in, learn a little bit more, and come out of it feeling a bit healthier.